Welcome to Sugu Drones. With the launch of the Mavic Mini, there's been quite a bit of re-stimulation in the drone industry. For those looking to get into droning, it's amazing and great for traveling, especially meeting local laws being sub 250. But that's where the buck stops. It cannot be utilized as a survey tool with popular survey drone apps, and many functionalities are restricted. We suggest buying it for travel and for basic videography, but always obtain a drone license.
Great explanation, Mark. For any budding pilots who reside in or outside Canada, we have courses every month. Visit sugudrones.com to get updated on dates. This is a reminder, the Mavic Mini or micro drones do not require licenses, but they're definitely great gateway drones. You'll want more freedom. Sign up today for training and don't forget to subscribe.
Sugu, a safer future with technology.
Be sure to like and subscribe.